Everyone wants to know how to stay cool without the electric bill eating them alive. But as a guy who used to work on nuclear reactors, I don't just look at the shiny plastic on the outside. I look at the guts. I've spent 17 years in the HVAC trenches, and today we are putting two heavy hitters head to head in a ductless showdown: the GE Endure Series versus the Lennox MWPD High-Efficiency Series. When we talk build quality in the field, it starts with the coils. Both of these units come with coated coils to fight off corrosion, which is non-negotiable if you live anywhere near salt air or high humidity. GE uses their blue fin technology, a hydrophilic aluminum fin that keeps water moving so it doesn't sit and rot your equipment. Lennox is built like a tank, but in the ductless world, they are often pulling from similar global manufacturing designs. Looking at the tech, the GE Endure is a beast with a 23 SEER 2 rating. Compare that to the Lennox MWPD, which sits at a very respectable 20 SEER 2. Now, here is the nuke perspective. Both use variable speed compressors. That inverter tech is a game changer because it eliminates that massive inrush of current every time the unit kicks on. It's a soft start that saves your electrical components and your wallet. GE's APAM DC inverter is specifically designed for high performance and stability, keeping the temperature rock steady. Now, let's talk brass tacks. For a single zone outdoor condenser, you're looking at a retail equipment price of about $1,100 to $2,400 for the GE. If you go with Lennox, the unit price typically ranges from $1,500 to $4,500. Once you factor in a professional install, which you should always do, the GE will run you roughly $4,000 to $9,000. Lennox installs are a bit of a premium, usually landing between $5,500 and $13,000 depending on the complexity. Before I give you the winner, here is your field test tip. Clean your filters every month. I don't care how much you paid for the unit. If it can't breathe, it's going to die, and no warranty will save you from neglect. Speaking of warranties, this is where the fight gets interesting. GE offers a solid 10-year parts and compressor warranty with registration. Lennox also hits the 10-year mark on parts and compressor, but they don't offer a unit replacement warranty for these models. The verdict? I'm giving the win to the GE Endure series. Here's why. You're getting a higher efficiency at 23 SEER 2 compared to the Lennox's 20, and you're doing it for a significantly lower entry price. In the field, I see the GE holding up just as well. And for a homeowner's bottom line, that extra efficiency combined with the lower install cost makes it the pro's choice. Shop like a pro by checking out the head-to-head tool at HVAC for beginners to compare all of the brands.